Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 807. Title of today's lesson is the difference between scroll and swipe. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it now. Let's go right to it. If a person scrolls text on a computer or phone screen, one moves the text up or down to find information one is looking for. So that's why we often say that we scroll up or down a page. One swipes across the screen of a phone or a computer in order to give it an instruction. So here you can see there's clearly a lot of situations where there's crossover between the two. However, there is other situations where one should be used or one is more commonly used than another. One can only swipe with a touchscreen. So that's the very first important point. If there is no touchscreen, you cannot use swipe. You can't just swipe a regular computer with no touchscreen. Okay. If a computer does not have a touchscreen and one uses a mouse, the term scroll should be used, not swipe. All right, let's continue. Technically, when you use a touchscreen on a computer, tablet, phone, etc., both terms could be used. So again, this is where there is definitely crossover, because when you swipe, you also scroll. However, when using your finger, the term swipe is more likely to be used. It's more commonly used. So it would not be wrong to say scroll. It's just that you're more likely to say swipe when you're doing it with your finger or thumb or whichever finger you're using. One should also note we use swipe with credit cards, IDs, etc. if you pass it through a narrow space in a machine to read information. This is important to note because swipe must have movement, Scroll, when you're using the computer, you can just mostly do it with clicks and just moving the mouse up, back and forth, basically. All right, and we got 5 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Use your mouse to scroll down the page. Sure. Number 2, I scroll back up to see the information at the top of the page. So again, especially on a regular computer and using your mouse, scroll is probably more common. Number 3, he swipes away any videos he is not interested in viewing on his iPhone. And of course, this is probably done with one's finger. Number 4, swipe the screen to open the page. And sometimes you just got to go across a page just to open something. So you're giving it an instruction. And the last one here, I swipe my credit card at the gas station to pay for the gas. Okay, anyway, I hope you got a better feel now of when you're more likely to use either the term scroll or swipe, especially with these electronic products. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.